Welcome to our 8-hour Tulum ruins excursion, which cost $15, and it included a stop at a jewelry making slash store and a souvenir store slash tequila tasting. First stop was at Matisse's and Company jewelry store. Approximately 100 yards away from the jewelry store was the souvenir shop, which had multiple things that you could see, as well as purchase souvenirs and many things. And it also had a tequila making apparatus. And there's where we did the tequila tasting, which was really interesting and had many different flavors of tequilas that we were able to try.
Pero baby te rompo llamando tarde como si no fuera un
reposado añejo. That's Chivas reposado 11 months age. Añejo more age 7 years. More age, more smooth. ¿Está bien? Good? A little bit. Tequila. Drink it, go down, finish, exhale. Drink, finish, exhale. This is not tequila, it's smooth. The sippy tequila is not mixed. This tequila is not mixed shots. That is sippy.
Now, is this aged 11 years?
No, that you make tequila blanco, that you mix a natural fruit. That's the tequila never aged.
Arriba, abajo.
Centro para dentro. Pomegranate sweet, after a little sour. Tastes a lemon and mint. Cheers, salud.
This one is delicious. I like a guava better. I like this one. This one is good. Should I stop now? Yeah.
Tropical fruit, sweet, sour, a little sweet. That you make margaritas or you mix some pineapple juice.
I still like the guava better. Should I stop now?
Tamarind sweet and sour, similar candy.
I like it.
I didn't like the smell of it.
Really good.
Tamarind.
I'm waiting for this one. Coconut flavor.
Yeah, because you're coconutty.
I'm a coconut craze.
Your personality.
Coconut.
It's good, but I prefer the coffee and guava.
Margarita spicy. Yeah. You mix some pineapple, mango, orange.
How is the jalapeno, Becca?
Not bad. I can see with a margarita. It has the perfect amount of spice.
Oh, that's good.
Not for me. Here we are at the souvenir store slash tequila tasting as part of our excursion into Tulum. It's on the way. We've got some jewelry next door for Ely for her birthday. And here I am with my buddy who's drinking tequila. We already sampled several different flavored tequilas, and we bought a couple of bottles for ourselves, and the family bought several other bottles. It was very good. We like the coffee and the guava flavors ourselves. The tequilas they gave us were many. However, they only gave us a very tiny amount of each, so therefore we did not get inebriated. Our $15 fee included the stops, as I mentioned, as well as entrance into the ruins, which is usually about $5 per person, and it also included a lunch at Subway restaurant in Tulum, which included a sandwich, chips, drink, and a cookie. We're here in Tulum. We're about to enter the ruins area. We just had our Subway sandwich and drink, which was nice. So we had a cookie as well, and we had to go through inspection of our backpacks and stuff, and they don't allow any plastic bottles and things like that, probably because they don't want people throwing trash over here, so that's a good thing. So we're about to embark in there. The old city of Tulum was protected by a 784-meter wall that is 26 feet or 8 meters thick and 3 to 5 meters high and has 5 doors. Ruins, look at this. The term Tulum is Yucatan Mayan word for fence, wall, or trench. It was a prominent seaport village that traded in obsidian, turquoise, and jade between the 13th and 15th centuries. It's approximately 130 kilometers south of Cancun. Obsidian was the most important that they traded. It's a volcanic glass that is deep black and sharp. It's usually made to make weapons, tools, ornaments, and mirrors. And it also is thought to release negative and toxic energy from the body. It is also known as the stone of truth, and also associated with the root chakra, which is located at the base of the spine and is believed to promote grounding and stability. These ruins welcome approximately 2.2 million visitors each year. The ruins are open every day of the year from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m., with the last people allowed in at 3:30 p.m. According to the sources I saw, a map of this place, this is called House of the Cenote. This small structure here is listed on the map as an offertory, which they had several. This is the Temple of Frescos and was used for social and religious significance, and it also was used to track movements of the sun. The castle. Yep, this is their castle. Castle? Yep. More than 500 years ago. It also served as a lighthouse to guide ships into port. There is an area here where you can walk down those steps and go to the beach and hang out there for a while. Where's Jillian? She'll go crazy with this. He's not scared. Oh, there's a fourth one coming up.
That's the mom.
We have come to the end of our day in Tulum visiting the ruins. It's several hundred yards between the pickup and drop-off point to the ruins. At the pickup drop-off point there are several shops and restaurants, as well as pharmacies. Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed this video. Please click a like if you like this video and subscribe to our channel for further adventures of Joe and Ely. Ciao.
Que ponga nuestra canción.